at the end of it, they pick a winner. They do paid media with them.
Yep.
So it's 3 minutes to, this is what they've said, you've got 3 minutes to do your thing, and then you've got 2 minutes for questions. How would you end the presentation, the 3 minutes or whatever?
So you're trying to win a beauty pageant here?
Yeah, pretty much. Luckily not one with my looks.
Me neither. I'm right there with you. I would do your clothes, man. I understand this. We live and breathe this. Does it make sense to pick us and do the media with us? Right? And I'd ask the group as a group. Does it make sense? If the answer is yes, please pick me. I will not let you down. We live and breathe this. This is my passion. Like, so far too often, people go home crying because they didn't get a sale, they didn't get a deal, they didn't get hired, they didn't get picked. And they're like, this was my dream. I was so passionate about this. I'm gutted. I wanted to do that. And my question to that person, if I was in that room, would be, did you say those words? And they'll be like, what are you talking about? And I'll be like, did you say this is your dream? Did you say this is what you've devoted your life to? Did you say that this is really important to you? And if they hire you, you will not let them down and you will over-deliver. And they're like, well, no. Right? I just presented the thing. And it's like, well, yeah. Right? Like, it's the passion in a situation, in all situations, but especially in that situation. I'm just going to tell you right now, I don't see her on here. I thought I saw Chelsea earlier, but any hiring manager will back me up on this. They'll have people come through and interview for jobs, and not one person will be like, I want this job. I can do this job. I won't let you down if you let me have this job. And this is exactly what I'm looking for. Does it make sense to put me in this role? Like, that's what every hiring manager is for. And this group is essentially being by proxy, they're a hiring manager for you. I would at least lay it out on the table.
When you finish watching this, I'm going to get you the closing mini masterclass totally free. It's normally $300. I'll pay for it. Click the link in my bio. I'll see you there.